Good morning students, welcome to Sheba online class. This is your third maths class. So we see the exercise in page number 19, use of large number in daily life situation. We know to apply the 4 operations on numbers. Okay, so basic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We know all. Okay, then addition. First we have to see the example 1.5. The question is, in an exhibition, the number of tickets sold on a first, second, third and fourth days, or first days the value was 1,10,000, second days the value was 75,060, third days 25,700 and the fourth days 30,606 respectively. Find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. 1 days ku first day lende first day ku 1,10,000 வந்து sold ஆகுது. சரிங்களா? ஓகே, செகண்ட் டேஸ்க்கு 7,000, 75,060, third days 25,700 and the fourth days 30,606. So find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. So we can write the solution. Number of tickets sold on first day is 1,10,000. Next, number of tickets sold on the second day. What the number? 75,060. 75,060. Next, number of tickets sold on the third day is equal to third day 25,700. Fourth day fourth day 30,606 tickets are sold. First we have to find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. Total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. So we have to total in the all the numbers. So we have to add the all the numbers. This is a new for you. This is a large numbers. We can use the daily life, but we have to add this 4 numbers. Okay, 1,10,000 and first we can arrange the numbers. 25,700, 30,606. Then we have to add all the numbers. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6 is 6. 0 plus 6, 6, 6 plus 0 onwards 6. Then 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 7, 7, 7 plus 6 is 13. So 3 becomes there and 1 becomes there. Then 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11. So 1 becomes in there and 1 becomes in there. Then 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 3, 14. 4 becomes 1 that side and 1 becomes that side. 1 plus 1, 2. So the value is 2,41,360. So the total is 2,41,366. So we can write the solution adding all the above. The solution is the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days is equal to 2,41,366. 41,360 sold. 366. Next we have to see the expansion of BIDMAS. Okay, expansion of BIDMAS means this is the BIDMAS method. Now B means bracket. This is the symbol of the bracket. This is over all the another brackets or the flower brackets and over another brackets are there, but the brackets is the first of BIDMAS. So bracket means denoted by B and indices is denoted by I. Indices is denoted by I. Indices means 2 power 2, 3 power 3. Nowadays or next class we see this discuss. Next, division. Division means that divide the any numbers and the slash means this is also a divide the numbers. So division is denoted by D. Multiplication, you know multiplication, the symbol is cross. So multiplication is denoted by M. Then addition is denoted by A. Addition means plus. So addition means denoted by A. Subtraction is denoted by S. So we follow the BIDMAS method in the sum. Okay. The sum is 9 plus 5 into 2 by using BIDMAS method. BIDMAS method is nothing but first we have to use the bracket and we have to use the indices and we have to use the division and next we have to use the multiplication, adding and subtraction. The question is 9 plus 5 into 2 by using BIDMAS method. Okay, BIDMAS means we know already B means bracket and indices means the power of the any numbers and division means D and multiplication means M and addition means A and subtraction means S. We can use the number with using the BIDMAS method. BIDMAS means first the number is 9 plus 5 into 2. First we have to check the question in B. Any bracket is there in the question? This is a 9 plus 5 into 2. No. So don't use the don't use the bracket. And then indices, any powers? No, powers illa. Then division, any divisions are there? Only adding and multiplication are there, no division. Then multiplications are there. So we can use the 9 plus, first we have to take a multiplication in 5 into 2. 5 into 2 what? 5 2s are 10. Okay, this is correct. Next A. A means adding. So then we have to add the numbers is equal to 19. 9 plus 10 is 19. Subtract are there but numbers are no. Subtract is no more. Okay, the number is 19. Now we have start the exercise 1.3. First fill in the blankets. The question is if Arunmoli saves rupees 12 per day. Per day means 1 day. Then she saves dash in 30 days. So how many in the saves in 12 per day? So per day she saves in 12 rupees. Then how many 30 days in how many she saves? Okay. Then we have to multiply it. 12 per day means then she says dash in 30 days. So 12 days ku so 1 day ku vandu 12 rupees vandu save pandranga. Then how many rupees we have to in 30 days? Per day 12 rupees means per 30 days how many rupees are there? We can find it. We have to multiply the 12 into 30. So we have to multiply 12 into 30. Then 0, 0 into 2, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 1, 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Then we have to adding 6, 360. Up. So 12 per day, rupees 12 per day, then rupees 360 in 30 days. Okay. Next question is if a person A earns 1800 in 12 days. If a person earns 1800 in 12 days, then he earns dash in days. Dash in day means 1 day. Okay. then a person A earns the 1800 in 12 days, 1800 in 12 days. So we have to find the how many rupees are there in 12 in one day. Okay, we have to divide the numbers. 1800 divided by 12. Okay, 12 tables in 12 ones are 12. Then we have to subtract it. The balance is 6. Then we have to 0 வந்து கீழே இறக்கிடலாம். The 12 into 5 is 5 2s are 10 and 5 1s are 5 plus 1 is 60. So this is 60. So we have to put the 5 into 12 is 60. Then balance is 0. Then we have to balance is 0. Then 12 zeros are 0. Then balance is 0. Then the value is 150 rupees in one day. Okay, 1800 rupees in 12 days. Then he earns rupees 150 in one day. Okay, then third subdivision is BIDMAS method. We have to already learnt BIDMAS. 45 divided by into 7 plus 8. Open bracket 7 plus 8 close bracket is minus 2 is equal to dash. So we can using the BIDMAS method. Okay, 45. First we have to see any brackets are there in questions. Yes, first we have to prove the first brackets. Okay, first brackets 7 plus 8 we have to solve in first bracket. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 minus 2 is equal to 45. Then we have to any indices in the question. Indices mean power are there in question? No. Next divided is there in question. Okay, divide panno. So we have to divide the questions. 45 divided by 15 is 15 ones are 15, 3s are 45. Okay, so 3 then minus 2. In any multiplications are there? No. Any additions are there? No. Subtractions are there? Yes. Last of one subtraction is there. So the value is 1. Okay, so the answer is 1. Then true or false. Second question, true or false. 3 plus 9 into 8 is equal to 96. Okay, in BIDMAS method or not, we can find it BIDMAS method, and this is 96 and these values are 96 or not, we have to find it. Okay, then 3 plus 9 into 8 is equal to, first we have to find the BIDMAS method. First any brackets or not? No. Indices? No. Divisors? No. Any multiplications? Yes. 9 8s are 72. So we have to 3 plus 9 8s are 72. Okay, then 72 plus 3 is 75. 75 is equal to 96. These two values are equal? Not. So this is not equal to 75 is not equal to 96. So the value is, so this is the false. Next fourth sum. Charan had a bank savings of 7,50,250 rupees. He withdraw rupees 5,34,500 rupees for a educational purpose. Find the balance amount in his account. We have to find the balance amount in his account. Okay, first this is statement sum. We have to write the statement. Bank saving first. Bank savings rupees 7,50,250 rupees, and withdrawal withdraw rupees for the educational purpose rupees 5,34,500. Okay, then find the balance amount in his account. So find the balance amount in his account. Balance amount means we have to subtract in bank saving amount minus withdraw. Okay, what is the bank saving amount? 7,000, 7 lakhs 50,000 250 minus 5 lakhs 34,500. You have to subtract the values. 7 lakhs 50,000 250 minus 5 lakhs 34,500. You have to subtract it. 0 minus 0 should be right 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. Then 2 la 5 pogada. So we have to borrow this number. So 0 onwards 9. 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. And then 9 minus 4. So inga the number vangirupoma. So 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. 4 minus 3 is 1. Then 7 minus 5 is 2. So we have to write the number 2,15,750 rupees. So the balance amount, find the balance amount in his account is 2,15,750 rupees. I hope you understand this sum. Then we have to move to sixth sum. The question is rupees 62,500 was equally distributed as a new year bonus. This is the sixth sum. Okay. 62,500 was equally distributed as a new year bonus for 25 employees of a company. How many did each receive? How can we find? We have to find the how many did each receive. Okay. So total the number is was equally distributed in new year bonus. New year bonus values. So total values is rupees 62,500. Okay. So we have 25 employees of a company. 25. So we can equally distributed in 25 employees. Equally distributed in 25 employees. So we have to find the how many did each receive. How many did each receive? So ஒருத்தங்களுக்கும் எவ்வளோ மணி போயிருக்கும். So for total of 25, then the value is 62,500. So we have to divide the values. Then we have to find the how many did each receive divided by 25. You have to divide the numbers. 25. 25 tables, 25. So we have to divide 62,500 divided by 25. 25 are, so 25 twos are first we have to 25 twos are 2 5s are 10, 25 into 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, balance 50. So minus so you have to subtract it. So the value is 2 minus 0 is 2, 6 minus 5 is 1. Then we have to, the number is 5. So 25 tables la 125 how many times? 25 5s are 125. This is 0. You have to, so number kela irukna 0, 25 zeros are 0, then 0, then you have to number kila irukna 0, 25 zeros are again 0. Okay. So the value is 2,500 per. So how many did each receive in 2,500? Let's to move to the seventh question. Simplify the following numerical expression. Okay. So for we have to use the bit mass method in this question. First question is 10 plus 17 divided by 3. So we can have to the bit mass method. First, any brackets or the, yes, this is a brackets, and then any indices or the no indices, divisor and divisor. So you have to first solve the bracket and divisor you have to solve. First solve the bracket 10 plus 17 divided by 3. So 10 plus 17 is 27. Next we have to move to any divisors or the indices is not there, then divisors are there, so we can divide the number. 27 divided by 3 is 3 9s are 27. So the value is 9. Next question is 12 minus open bracket 3 minus open the flower bracket 6 minus bracket 5 minus 1 close bracket, close the flower bracket and close bracket. So we have to first BIDMOS method, in the brackets we have to solve in the bracket one by one. This we have to solve in this bracket and this bracket and this bracket. Okay. 12 minus 3 minus open bracket 6 minus, first we have to subtract this bracket 4, then close the bracket. Okay. 12 minus 3 6 close open bracket 6 minus 4 close the bracket. 12 minus 3 minus, so this values is 6 minus 4 is 2, then 12 minus 3 minus 2 close bracket. 12 minus open bracket 3 minus 2 is 1 close bracket is equal to 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. So the value is 11 by using BIDMOS method. Okay students, today's class is over. See you in the next class. Thank you.